Right, so obviously, Carl, we've been having a great little chat today,
Yes, yeah, very
and
much so, mate.
but obviously, one of the messages that needs to come out of this for us is to potential clients and candidates, and in particular with the clients. Um, if you're using an agency and we've said something today that's resonated with you or made you think, oh, I wonder if my agency does that. You know, get in touch with us, have a conversation about all of the other value adds that we have, such as free time and attendance, forklift training.
Yeah, we've got like digital induction videos.
Thanks,
We
Carl.
do candidate induction handbooks. I think we kind of touched on it where clients' processes needed to be agile, but
Yeah,
equally your recruitment partners need to be agile. And we are, I would say, the most agile company around at the minute in the area, definitely in terms of being independently owned, having the ability to make decisions and invest in contracts, even down to like
yeah,
employee engagement days or feedback loops for your hiring managers. We build everything from scratch for each operation because every operation is different, and we can provide a complete service from sourcing, building out that recruitment process with you, and the onboarding piece as well. We don't only want to help you recruit people, we want to help you retain people as well. So I think if you're a candidate, the one thing you probably take from this is the fact that we're helping companies across their entire kind of workforce population.
yeah.
Whether it's a knowledge transfer from people moving towards retirement, whether it's talent pipelining for the next generation coming through, and everything in between. So look, if you are looking for your next challenge, if you're not sure where you want to take your career, if you just want to explore options and look at transferable skills, whatever that mindset for yourself is at the minute, we can help support on that journey, whether it's just a kind of information find, a salary comparison, or whether it is actually diving in to find that next ideal opportunity for you. We've got the capacity to do it. We've got the team to do it. We've got the deliverability to do it. So yeah, just get in touch if anything's resonated with you today, and you want to take that next step.
Obviously, the recruitment market can be extremely volatile given, budgets, recessions.
Yep, tariffs.
I was just going to say even tariffs this year from a whole other country,
Yeah,
but it does have a massive knock-on effect. Legislation as well, like the increase in national insurance and so on and so forth. So, the recruitment market at the moment is tough for us recruiters, or so we'll have you believe. Um, but for the candidates, it's daunting, and for the clients, obviously, there's a lot of misinformation out there as well now. And I think one of the things that our clients have benefited from in their recruitment process is market intelligence. I know you deliver an awful lot on that kind of thing. What kind of things are they asking for?
yeah, absolutely. So I think to build on your point, like any market hates uncertainty, and we've definitely seen it in its droves this year. And I think the market intelligence really reflects that as well. We had a really, I've been doing some reports lately for some 3PLs and some food manufacturing clients as well. And there have been a few engineering clients who've started to move towards the market intelligence. But basically, we had a really strong start to the year in that kind of management to senior leadership level. That's quite on trend with what you would expect. Usually, decisions are made kind of Q4. New
Hmm.
budgets are kind of announced. Senior leaders move on to new opportunities early part of the new year, so that's kind of expected. We've started to see that tail off end of Q1, start of April, tax rises and things like that, and all the fantastic things that the Labour government are doing, has obviously stifled the market a little bit. But look, we've seen movement in the M&A market. We've seen GXO hopefully moving towards the acquisition of Wincanton. We've seen Greencore acquire Bakkavor, so that's always
Yeah, the Every and
you.
DHL
Yeah,
partnership.
exactly, which is going to be really interesting. So usually off the back of that, that can really stimulate a market.
Yeah.
Activity of that kind of level, when you're talking billions of pounds, can really stimulate the market. You will see changes in that workforce, whether it's redundancies, restructures, and things like that. So that would obviously flood the market with some potential candidates as well. But yeah, I think we're on a upward trajectory now. That's what the data is predicting. Is we're kind of moving forward now, off the back of the tariffs, off the back of the tax rises, off the back of the rise in national minimum wage, and we're kind of going through into a more prosperous
So we should now be recruiting for the roles that we think we're going to need in 6 months' time.
Yeah, I think budgets now should be set. You know, not going to say we'll see no kind of macroeconomic influences coming in, but it seems to be stabilizing,
Yeah, a little bit.
and the candidate market loves stability. So I think now budgets should be set, and we should now to see a more expected level of activity. So I hope you really enjoyed the waffle that me and Greg have been going on about.
It is that.
Hopefully there was some sense made in there. But this is really in kind of prelude to me and Greg with recruitment, obviously hoping to launch our podcast later in the year. I'm going to keep the name a surprise. You'll have to bear with us on that. I think we've got a really good name.
I can be bribed.
Yes, you
Yeah.
can. Yes, yeah, and sponsors, we're happy to take them.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're going to be basically talking to industry professionals. So you'll obviously see some other people alongside mine and Greg's lovely faces. But I think really we want to focus on these industries and talk about their specific challenges, what's happening in their industry from a recruitment point of view, from a supply chain point of view, from a everything point of view, what's happening in that industry. We really want to bring those industries to the forefront. We want to talk about obviously not only the challenges but the opportunities there, and everything like that. They're going to be really in-depth discussions where hopefully you as the viewers can get some really good value and some insights, and hopefully some actionable kind of takeaways as well. But yeah, across kind of warehouse logistics, manufacturing, engineering, all the industries that we specialize in, we're going to be bringing you hopefully some really exciting, really fun to listen to, but also really insightful conversations with some fantastic people that we've got lined up.
Absolutely. Yeah. I mean, we've already got guests lined up on artificial intelligence, e-com,
Yeah,
business
cybersecurity.
scaling, raising finance for your
Yeah,
business. These are just a few of them.
yeah. So yeah, stay tuned. Got some more information coming soon.